Have you ever needed to get a list of your students broken down into first name and last name? I know for when I set up ZipGrade, that's really useful for me, and I know of at least one way in order to do this. There may be others, but I go into Power School and then go to Power Teacher Pro. This allows me to go into Reports and create a student roster. In this function, if you have not done this before, you might have this set up to be a PDF, but I want it to come out as an Excel document. And if your computer doesn't have Excel, we'll figure out a way to use it, but we want to be able to copy all of the names. So this is one way to do it. So I have to set up to do just my first period class. I'm actually going to run this for my study hall. I have, oops, that means I have to go back in here to my student roster, and it should be run on Excel. Okay, run a report, and then to open it, I've got to view reports, and then there's a student roster report. So a lot of steps, but here it is, and it's going to open up on my computer. Now I have Excel on this computer, so it gives me this handy dandy list of students. You might have numbers. If it opens up in numbers, you could do the same thing. We're going to copy using Control C, and then we move back into, we want to go into Google Sheets. And I have created a template, and really all it is it has these 6 headings, and I'm going to put my students in here for ZipGrade specifically. But the thing about this is I have copied and pasted this set of names that are just in one box, and I need them separate. I need last names and I need first names. So I have this set of data highlighted, and if I go to data, I can go down to split text to columns, and it's just smart enough to figure that out. So if this is my last names, I can Control X and put them in the right column, and I can put my first names into the other column. So this is just one way to use Google Sheets to allow you to break first names and last names up.